Hello guys. Hey, how you doing today? This is Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I hope everyone is safe out there and you're doing well. I'm back, guys. I want to come back and show you guys a system, a text message marketing system, a tool, a software that you can use to help you promote your primary business, as well as promote this system. And it pays $100 commission. Okay, and I more importantly want to come back and show you that it really does work. I've made one video on this new system, and I haven't really been doing a lot of promoting with it. I just sent a few emails, sent a few text messages, and it continues to perform. So I want to show you this while I was sleeping, okay, at 2:41 in the morning. Another $100 payment came in. Let me show you this. This is real. See if I can get it here. It's a picture of my mom there. You see that? Oh, my phone is 2:41 in the morning, guys. Okay, so this works. Okay. Now, let me show you this system. Chatbot. Okay, it was at one point Abundance Network. Okay, you may have remembered that name. Okay, but they have changed the name, changed the system. It's totally different, and it actually works. That's why I'm here to talk to you about it. All right, so this is the page that you're gonna get. Okay, we all have this page. And let's take a look. Let me show you how the back office looks in that way you can check it out. Hang on. Okay, this is your back office, guys. My dashboard. Right here is my link. Okay, so you have a link and you have a phone number. Okay, so you can share this phone number, in Ava, which is the automated virtual assistant, will walk your prospects through the whole process. Okay, like I said, this is not the first time, but payments have come in while I was sleeping, so I never spoke to anyone. So obviously the system is pretty intelligent enough to walk people through the setup, okay, because it's happened. So you have your phone number and you have your link. Okay, the link is what you just saw where I showed you the page. Okay, and then you just have the phone number. So it absolutely works. Very simple. You just set it up. Well, really, it's set up. All you need to do is set up your payment methods. Me personally, I've set up as many as possible. I've set up Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, Stripe. I've set all those up. So however you want to receive your payments, you just go back here and set it up. And you just start promoting it. They also even give you a swipe file that you can send an email out to your email list if you have an email list. Or you can use, I'll show you a capture page system you can use. You can send traffic there and let the system do the selling and telling. You can capture your leads that way. Okay, but this definitely does work. Okay, so what else I like about this is you're able to promote your primary business with this by simply promoting this text bot. It allows you to promote your primary business, and let me show you where that is. Let me show you something. Okay, so what you'll do is you go under your settings, guys. Go under settings, and right here it asks you what's your primary business link, and I'm promoting my mail order program. Okay. IMC, mailorderfreedomclub.com. So you go here, put your primary business in there, and it can text you, when you get leads or sign up, so prospects take a look at it. And right here at the bottom, you put your message. My message is turn your mailbox into an ATM, go here. Okay, so you can promote your primary business with this one little system. Okay, so hang on a second. These messages keep popping up. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, perfect little system. And guess how much it costs? Only $150, guys, and you're able to make $100 commissions over and over and over. It does have a 1-up comp plan. The first sale you keep, and then the second sale you will pass up. So everybody passes up their second sale, and then going forward, you keep all your sales, but you get your money back on your first sale. So $150 measly to get a texting business started, and you're able to use it to promote your primary business. Now let's take a look down here. As you can see, I've got some credits here, and I've made about $400 in this thing. And like I said, I haven't even really been promoting it. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit more promoting with it, because it actually works. I just was doing some testing, and a few payments have come in. So great way to get into text message marketing with this Chatbot system. Okay, right here are resources. There's some swipe copy right here. They even give you some swipe copy. Now, if you join my team, I have some emails that I've been using and some text messages that I've been using. Obviously, they work because I've received some signups from it. So I'll be happy to share those with you, as well as a system that I've been using. I'll put the link below, where you can send emails to people that's interested in making money from home, and you can promote this business. Okay, so it's a few ways to do it. Very easy. I just sent out a few emails, and that's about it, and it's working. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys, that this thing worked while I was sleeping. Okay, this is the third time that's happened. Okay, I haven't spoken to anyone. No one's reached out to me. They actually just went to the link. Ava walked them through the process. They signed up, and I've received a couple payments while I was asleep. Okay, can't get any easier than that. Okay, so if you're interested in text message marketing, this is a perfect one for you guys. Again, it's only $150. Okay, to get in this program, and it's pretty much, it's set up. All you need to do is set up your payment options. How do you want to get paid? And then you just start promoting. Okay, right here you can see all your leads. I don't want to click that because it actually gives out everyone's phone number. Everybody that has entered their phone number is in here. So you actually have their phone number, and you can respond to people if you so choose to do that. You can log into Ava and you can see the numbers that have opted in, and you can reply to them. But I just let the system, you know, do all the selling and telling for me, and I just collect the payments. Okay, so check it out. I'm gonna actually put a link below, because I want you to go through this funnel that I'm working with right now. And this funnel, if you want to use the funnel, this way you can actually collect the names and emails, and then an autoresponder can follow up with your leads. Okay, so guys, check it out. You would love it. If you have any questions, give me a call. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Let me show you this capture page. Hang on a second. Here's a capture page. So you can use that because the system doesn't come with a capture page. It just comes with that page I just showed you. Let me show you again. Okay, this is the page. So what would happen is when you click continue right here, this is where it captures their phone number. Okay, so it captures their phone number, and then the system will, you know, start texting and asking them questions. Okay, but if you want to capture the name and email up front before they get to a presentation, you know, you can do that, and I'll put that link below. But definitely check out this system. Easy $100 bills can be coming to you as well. Okay, until next time, guys, thanks for checking out my video. I look forward to working with you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.